What is going on, guys? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the 10,000 mAh textured Powerbank by Kogan. Let's check it out. Inside the box, you get the Powerbank and a Type-C to A charging cable. The Powerbank measures 1.5 by 7.2 by 13.8 millimeters and weighs about 230 grams. This is around the average size for similarly spec'd products. It is advertised as textured, and there is a soft covering on the large sides of the device. I thought it wasn't going to be very beneficial compared to, say, a metal covered one, but it reduces the number of obvious scratches, especially after long-term use of keeping it in my bag. However, it definitely doesn't feel as premium compared to a metallic side panel. The thinner sides have a slightly grippy texture, which makes it safer to hold. It isn't the best looking Powerbank, but the full black design with an orange accented USB port is quite neat. Speaking of the ports, this features a micro USB, Type A and Type C port. The micro USB and Type C port can both be used as power intake, which makes it more compatible to use with a range of devices since you can charge it with whatever cable you carry around. The Type C and A ports both support power delivery, and you can even use both at the same time to charge two devices, though I'm not sure if that's recommended. Both these ports can also support fast charging, which is awesome to see. I found this very useful for quick top-ups like on public transport. However, when you charge two devices at once, neither device would use fast charging. There are also labels on the back of each of the ports to indicate whether they are input or output. Also, on this side, there is information on the device and voltage. The power button is located on the left side of the Powerbank and can be used to check the remaining battery level, as well as turning it on and off. The button is well built and requires enough pressure that it can't accidentally be pressed in your bag. When you press the power button, the battery indicators on the other side will turn on to display the remaining battery. When plugged in, blinking lights indicate the device is charging, while solid light means it's fully charged. There is a blue indicator light when the Powerbank is in use while recharging another device. I managed to spot this on sale for $15, but even at the normal price of $25, if you are looking for a 10,000 mAh Powerbank, this is a solid option. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe, and until next time, don't forget to keep it real.